Hi guys, Tom here, Middlebury Chevrolet, and this is a 2021 Silverado 1500 Custom Trail Boss. Stock number, you can see it in the window there, CT499, that's CT499. This one has the 5.3 V8, crew cab, shadow grey metallic. Trail Boss, as you know, has that suspension lift, chunkier tire, darker rims, the unique front end with the black bumper instead of the chrome or body colored. Z71 Package 2, cloth interior, but this is a rare beast. You don't see many Trail Bosses on the road right now, especially with the chip shortage, but guess what? We have one, and it can be yours to lease or purchase. 802-382-2200.